Hello everyone, Pem here again with another video that I feel is much needed for anyone starting out as a beginner in cybersecurity career without spending a penny. The key for this video is to help you find your own path and not anyone is. Start the basics and free resources. You do not need to spend an amount to start learning ethical hacking except the one for the internet and your laptop. There is no training on earth that can make you a good hacker, but by doing it yourself consistently and for a lifetime. Here are the best resources. Start with application security and more specifically web applications. The best resource here is Portswigger. It's the best one to make you understand the common web application vulnerabilities, not only how to hunt them but also how to exploit and fix them. It will take you through our top 10 by baby steps from beginner to advanced level. This is also a go-to reference even for top bug bounty hunters. From here you can try and practice your new acquired skills in real-world web applications through bug bounty programs such as HackerOne, Background Integrity, and so on. Just make sure you read terms and conditions of these programs and you're good to go. Along with this, head over to TryHackMe and find free beginner courses with labs to learn. I'm sure by this time you'll have some clue on what hacking really is. You can now head over to YouTube and search for the Cybermentor Full Practical Ethical Hacking course. This is a full 7-hour quality practical hacking course. You'll find out there, and it is free by Heath Adams, aka the Cybermentor. Check also other good videos from this channel. Heath has some other soft skill videos addressing the issues of certifications and whole lot more on starting a career in cybersecurity. Something I want you to note, however, there is no defined path to starting a career in cybersecurity field. Some start without even certifications and earn them along the way. Some earn certification but still find it hard to get that first opening. Some are highly skilled but no certifications, and some with lots of certifications but no skill and experience. And that is what makes this field actually interesting. After you're done with this course, and if you followed it with practicals, I guarantee you're better than a CH certified fellow without experience and skills. Spice this with CTFs, and heck, the box is a good fit. HTB also started an academy section that you can have a learning path from beginner level. Try to solve those CTF challenges yourself, and if stuck, don't hesitate to look for walkthroughs. Take notes and identify the key goal the CTF wanted you to achieve, what it wanted you to learn. There is no better resources for walkthroughs on retired HTB machines as IPSec. Find this channel on YouTube and you'll have a lot more to learn on how to think outside the box in tackling CTF challenges. These few resources will be enough to enlighten you on the skills, mentality, and attitude that one must have as an ethical hacker. You do not need to pay anything for a start, only pay when you are ready to take the next step. I recommend you subscribe to Elan Security Fundamentals Path, and here you'll get a free certification voucher for EJPT, that is Elan Junior Penetration Tester. It's a very good practical course as well for a beginner. From here you'll have found your own path to this field. I'm sure you'll have known what really interests you. Is it the offensive or the defensive hacking part? Find out the certifications that will make you pass through HR and all those that will improve your skills. There is none that is useless. Each one has something to offer at least. Again, here I'll not direct you on what to do. Just find it yourself. The best way to do this is by looking at cybersecurity jobs and see what requirement is, what certificates are the most frequent in those beginner jobs. Take notes and determine which one fits your aspirations. I do not want to tell you who to follow on social media, YouTube, LinkedIn, and so on. I want you to find it by yourself as a hacker you are now. Find the people whose content interests you, follow them on those platforms that you find these contents, mostly 3 in my opinion: X, LinkedIn, and YouTube. The algorithm in these platforms will enable you to connect to other like-minded individuals. For me, I follow those that are known for application security, and these include James Kettle, Insider PhD, Heath Adams, Zishiano, and so on. Again, just find this on your own. Finally, don't forget to make Google your friend. I can guarantee you will not make it without Google. If you are into the offensive security, I'll recommend you start with EJPT, PNPT by TCM Security. There is also JPNPT. Then you can now try OSCP. Pentest Plus from CompTIA is also interesting. You'll find CH technically rubbish at this level, but still popular out there in HR filtering. I 100% guarantee you learn nothing new from this certification, but still good that HR now are letting technical guys hire their counterparts. So at least this is slowly changing. Find also certifications in inland security, and they'll teach you a lot more practical wise. That is it for now. Find your own path and see you.